Hi, this is Kajerno Oddity, and I'm going to be filming with my iPad Pro like I'm doing right now in 4K using the built-in mic. They're supposed to be a professional quality. And I'm going to go outside, take a bike ride. I'm going to film with my iPhone 11 Pro using the mic on the iPhone, getting some footage of outside. And when I come back, I'm going to transfer it on the iPad, do the editing, use the footage that was filmed from the iPad and from the iPhone so you can compare, and the two mics. Let's just to do something today in those hard times. So see you soon. I did not drop the phone. Not so bad. Now the audio is recorded in voiceover in LumaFusion using the microphone of the iPad. And this is my beautiful Rad Mini underneath the bridge. It's so gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous underneath that bridge. Okay, we'll continue the ride now. Okay, now we have some 4K footage on the iPhone with the wide angle lens. And I would like that rad power that do the Rad Mini my bike. They should give me a new one because I put it in this film, huh? Don't you think so? So you can hear the microphone of the iPhone, and with the wide angle, when you do the selfie, must be have a wider shot. I'm going to be going back home soon. Where is my beautiful Beluga? That's the name of my bike. Oh, you can see it. Look, I'm going to go slowly. Look at it. Oh yeah. Beautiful wide angle shot. Other footage under a bridge. So, like a bridge under troubly water, I will lay me down. Sail on, silver bird. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm going to stop now. Sail on by. So another beautiful voiceover with that beautiful footage of my Rad Mini in a park with no children because of the pandemic. Look, giant mushroom, a frog that's trying to eat my bike. In what world do we live in? Do you see? I think we've gone out of the edge. Okay, I'm fine. So I hope that you enjoyed my ballad with my beluga. Hello, beluga. And I think I found the children. I think they're there. So let's go back, like I said, to the ranch, apartment slash studio, and do the montage for this video on the iPad Pro 2020. Okay, see you later. Okay, now we're going to edit in LumaFusion, but first I need to import the footage from the iPhone to the iPad by AirDrop. Let's do that. So now you click on photo, then you're in your library, you make a selection of all the video you want to import to the iPad. Okay, making the selection, click on that. 10 elements, then I click the share button, then you do airdrop to the iPad, and then you see the iPad, it's airdropping. Okay, yes, I point. And then you open your photo app on your iPad and you see the video are there. You can click on the video and see that it works. Okay, so it's supposed to be playing. Okay, that's, yes, push the button. And wow, these are my hands, looking at my hands. That's freaky. And after that, it will be time to edit in LumaFusion to import the video. LumaFusion, here we go. And in LumaFusion, we're going to edit the video. You see I've already imported all the video, doing my timeline. But you go here, at top here, top left, you click on photo, and you will have the library of all your video. If you click on one of the video, you can preview it here, and you can drop it in your timeline. I'm not going to do that, it's already there. So that's what I was editing. And I've done the graphic like my beluga. Where's my beluga? Okay. That was done in an app that's called Graphic here. You do graphic in an app that's called Graphic. So it's a vector-based application. I love it. And the beautiful music was done in GarageBand. So very easy to do. So this iPad is a dream for a creator. Everything was done with the iPhone and the iPad to create this video. And of course the Beluga. That was the mobile studio. So you can see what you can do as a creative with the iPad. And this new iPad is even more powerful. This is all 4K footage, very smooth. In conclusion, it was a fun day doing this project with the iPad and with the iPhone and the Beluga. So you can see that the iPad can do so much for you. You have the microphone, the camera, the big screen, using the pencil, using all those powerful apps that are available to you. So I say stay safe in those pandemic time, and I love you. I give you hug and kisses in the virtual world, because for now, that's the only way to do it. Okay, bye-bye.